In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google AI. To get started, open Google Chrome and first identify which Google product you're actually using, because the available AI settings can vary depending on the service. This is important since turning off AI in one Google product does not automatically disable it everywhere else. For example, you might be using Google Search, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Photos, Google Chrome, Google Workspace, or Google Assistant where available. Each of these can handle AI features a little differently, so the first step is simply knowing where you want to make the change. Once you've identified the product, open that specific Google app or website and look for its settings area. In most cases, you'll want to check sections labeled Settings, Preferences, Labs, Experimental Features, or if you're using a business or organizational account, Workspace Admin Settings. These are the places where Google typically places optional or test features, including some AI-powered tools. Take a moment to browse carefully, since the exact wording and placement may differ depending on the product and whether you're on desktop or mobile. From there, look for any available options to turn off AI features. Depending on the service, this could include disabling experimental AI tools, turning off AI writing assistants, or hiding AI panels and suggestions. Keep in mind that not every Google product includes a full option to disable AI, so if you don't see a switch or setting, that may simply mean the feature isn't currently user-controlled. If your main concern is Google Search, there are a few ways to reduce how much AI appears in your results. Start by searching as you normally would, then, when available, use the web filter to focus more on traditional web results instead of enhanced or AI-driven summaries. It also helps to refine your search using more specific keywords, since clearer searches can sometimes produce more direct standard results. It's worth noting that Google does not currently offer one universal setting that permanently turns off AI overviews for every search. Finally, if your account has access to Search Labs, open it and review any active AI experiments connected to your account. If you see features you no longer want to use, turn those experiments off. Just remember that even with Search Labs experiments disabled, AI overviews may still appear in some searches. That's the full process for reducing or turning off Google AI features where settings are available.